And then we're going to drizzle this on here to get a little fancy. Today, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate peanut clusters. All you need is chocolate and peanuts. And I'm just going to melt the chocolate in the microwave using a microwave safe bowl. And I'm going to heat it on high for 30 seconds and then come in with a spoon and stir. And then 30 seconds, stir, 30 seconds, stir until it's nice and melted. Or you can use the double boiler method where you take a pot and put about 1 inch of water in it and then put like a metal bowl on top of that pot and put your chocolate in the bowl and then set the heat to medium. And as the water heats up, the steam is gonna heat up the bottom of that bowl, melting the chocolate gently. So whatever method that you would like to do. And once the chocolate is melted, all you do is take the nuts and put it in the bowl with the melted chocolate. And then we will stir this and get everything all nice and coated. And you can change up the ratios of chocolate to nuts if you want. If you want more heavy on the nuts and less heavy on the chocolate, then use more nuts. Maybe do a 1-to-1 ratio, so 1 cup of nuts to 1 cup of chocolate. And now once it's all combined like that, take a sheet pan, and I just lined it with some parchment paper. You can use a silicone mat as well. And now we'll just take a spoonful of it, depending on how big you want to make them, and we'll just drop it right down there like that. You can also line a muffin pan with paper cups and then drop these into the paper cups, and then they're already individually kind of wrapped for you. Like that would be great for like a gift. This recipe as is will make about 12 of them. So if you want to make a lot more of them, then just double the recipe. You can get 24. And now we're going to pop these in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes so they can set. And when they come out of the fridge, they will look something like this. And they are ready to go. You can serve them as is. Or we can come in here with some white chocolate. And I just put some white chocolate candy melts, or just white candy melts, in this disposable piping bag and melted them. And then we're going to drizzle this on here to get a little fancy. And then you just let the white chocolate set again. You can put them back in the fridge if you do that, and it'll just take 10 to 15 minutes. Take care. Time for me to dive into one of these. Oh yeah. I'm gonna grab this one right here. Oh yeah. Mmm.